Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of camera on Picsart. To know how to fix or how to solve camera on Picsart app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you'll enter to the window or to the app of Picsart. Then this page of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear detail because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.